Vlogmas Day 10.
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. I don't care about those presents underneath the Christmas tree. So I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know.
What happened? It snowed. Alright, now I'm just sitting here going through social media network, and then I'm just gonna wait for my mom to go out of the shower so I can shower, and then I guess we can go food shopping. Yeah. Fun Run 2. Are you gonna come over? It's the best game ever. If you want to add me, it's Daytime8. It's like my Instagram. I'll put it across the screen as well. And you can like play with people. You ever seen 2 hands, especially? Yeah, let's really confused with 1 hand. Okay, we go now. Forgot about my main channel, but that video went up. What time is it now? It just went up about like 20 minutes ago. So yeah, I just shoveled outside here. Let me just show you. It's freezing outside. I just like shoveled the path, and the path is already getting covered. It was over there too, behind my outside my mom's car. Sorry, there's like a dog. Oh, don't worry. Stuff all over the window. They showed down to the mailbox so I can get the mail. Hi. You have a present.
What?
You have a present.
That bag's for you. Give it to you now so it doesn't get all wrinkled. So it won't get all wrinkled.
Buddy, move your ass.
Well, because your dad's he's got you for Christmas Eve, so I might as well just give this to you now, and then just keep your stocking for Christmas and let you guys sleep in, and then we'll go over to Grandma's. Is that what you wanted?
Alright, so I'm out of the shower. I'm gonna give you an OOTD. Sorry, I'm running. I'm gonna yell that. Ignore my face, it looks horrible. Just have my hair up as normal. I'm wearing this little knitted shirt that has like a hood on it. Yeah, that's warm too. And then I'm wearing my gray pants with those shoes. And then for my jacket, I'm just gonna wear my Guess jacket. But yeah, it's just Guess, it looks like that. And yeah, it's real nice. Real nice. And yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping now, and I'm gonna bring you with me. I'll show you what it looks like outside. This is what it looks like now. They kind of got plowed, but then it started snowing again, so it's like snow, and yeah, my pathway is like gone. 10 minutes of my life wasted. Alright, so I'm just here setting up, oh, email, it'll focus, this thing for News Channel 9, so that it oops, probably just covered the microphone, huh? So that it texts, us when Rose doesn't have school. We're in the car now. Oh, you can't even hold the headphones on.
Get something.
Just tell them.
Food here to eat. Get milk. And plowed out.
Oh, I just finished eating. Kayla's here now.
Cold.
Oh, I got back up to 1,046 coins.
Oh, were you playing with
Fun
all last
run.
night?
Yeah, I had to get back up there though. Here's my mom.
Mom, love your brat, Rose.
Love your brat, comma Rose.
Oh,
Love your brat,
I
comma
have to
Rose.
see the opening.
Okay, Mom, open it. I'm recording. Oh wait, let me zoom in. Hold
I
on.
gotta keep this. I gotta frame this.
Okay, it's focused. Okay.
What?
I gotta
'Cause of what
frame
it
this
says. Wait, let me take a picture for you first.
What?
Okay, now you can put it on Facebook if you want. I got your mom's reaction to the what it is.
Is it naked men?
No.
Too bad.
Don't want it.
I don't want it now. Baby.
Grandma's opening up her present. Come here. Come and watch.
Hi, guys. And baby animals.
They're cute.
Hi.
Currently playing Fun Run. It's getting intense. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? So I'm back. I found the hole punch. I might have to finish my mom's gift, but actually before I go and finish it, I think I'm actually going to do. Sorry, I'm putting my headphones. Do a DIY gift idea on it. And I don't know, I have a ring on my desk. Let's clean that. It's just dust and because it was wet. I'm gonna do a DIY video on my main channel. That'll be up Saturday. Since I did the Christmas decorations one today. If you didn't see that, oops, sorry. A link will be below, so it's yesterday for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna go do a video on this, and I'll see you later. Alright, so I just actually filmed a video right here. Oop, that's my vlog. I imported it on here just so I didn't get confused. Here it is. It's going to be a DIY video. DIY gifts video for Christmas. I'm excited. It's gonna go up Saturday. So I'm gonna move my Saturday video to Wednesdays. The Christmas related video, so I need it up like ASAP. Yeah, but I'm gonna go do something with this really quick. I'm gonna take the dog food out, pour them in the cookies, and I'm gonna do something with it. Ooh, and then I'm gonna make some cookies with my brother's girlfriend.
What do you
I did it.
What you gonna make?
If it focuses, I don't think it will. It's just what are these called?
Pine cone?
Pine cones with sparkle things on. I found them in my mom's closet, so I just put
It
them
took
in
me
here.
2 minutes. I'll be ready in 2 minutes with lo mein noodle fried rice.
You're blurry as apple. Oh, there it went. Here's a sneak peek of Saturday's video. I did it. I didn't have red or green, so I just had to do that.
Gotta make a calendar on Saturday.
Oh, mom's picture looks great. Kayla's picture looks great. Peppermint cookies. Chocolate chip. Oh, that is nothing. And then over here, we have gingerbread cookies. Yum, 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 yum. It's a fun video. I never got to have it. It's fun. I had to handcraft a gingerbread man. His arm kind of got messed up. Let's try again. Unfortunately, dropped my camera in there or some shit.
Well, I failed.
Yummy. Alright, so that's going to be the end of tonight's vlog. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Vlogmas. And more vlogs, period. And yeah, so I'll see you all next week, tomorrow, so bye.